Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So I'm all ready. I just wore my uh, riding pants and I also have my jacket here. I just need to wear that. I'm not wearing it right now because I'll start sweating immediately. I'm all ready to go and let's see how the weather stays up. Right now it is pretty cloudy as you can see, but right now let's see how that holds up. I'm hoping that I can go and come back without much rains, and this is going to be a ride after a long time. It's been a huge lockdown and I just want to make sure that I'm not rushing. I'll be driving pretty normally. I'll maybe like do a little bit of high speed at some times, but like it'll be pretty normal ride. I just want to take it relaxed and come back all safe. So I've just started the bike to get it warmed and wearing all this. Trust me, wearing all this is the saddest part of the bike ride. But you need to wear all this. I mean, safety is paramount, so you have to wear it. I mean, there is no option. Anyone who's watching this, please save and try to get a riding jacket and a riding pant. The day when it's required, you will definitely feel like, okay, it's a money well spent. But yeah, right now, wearing this, it's a little bit of pain. All done. I'll see you on the bike now. It feels so good to be finally out and going about. We've all been caught up inside the house and like stuck inside. So finally it feels really good to be out and about and traveling. I used to do a lot of these Sunday rides normally, but since because of the lockdown and the restrictions, I haven't been able to go out in the last few months. But now that it's relatively open, I'm taking the right precautions and then going. To tell you exactly where I'm going to this place called Malshesh Ghat, which is about 2 hours from my place. So it's not very far and it's not very close also. So it's a good about 200 kilometers ride. So yeah, I mean, I'm hoping for epic scenery because Maharashtra during the rainy seasons is really good. And the other thing which I'm hoping for is no rain, hopefully. Let's see. So yeah, I've just changed the angle of the camera now. I had put it here on top, but then the issue was that it was blocking the vision of blocking my vision a bit. So now I've turned it upside down. Let's see how this is. It's a pretty nice lake. Don't you think so? I mean, right now it's been raining a lot, so I guess the lake is also full. Since I stay in the city, I need to reach the highway, and for reaching the highway there is one road which is through the Barvi Dam and another road which is through this small village. So I'm just taking this small village because I've gone in the Barvi Dam road before and that road is not very great. I mean even in summertime when the roads were, it was not raining, the road was very bad. So I'm 100% sure that the roads will be even worse right now in the monsoon. So that's why I'm not taking that road. It's a small village with small houses. It's pretty cute. So I'll stop talking here, just enjoy the road through the jungle. It's really nice. I mean, the road is like going like a snake and it's really nice and nice to ride on this amazing day. my god, look at this amazing location. I just stopped here because I had to. Like, look at this small bridge, and you can hear the water flowing here. It's just really beautiful, and look at this scenery. I mean, this is just ultimate. It is one of the best places. I have been here once before. That was during the summer, so it wasn't that great. But now during the monsoon season, the climate is cool. You can stand here without actually sweating buckets. So amazing location. I'll just show you some time lapse now. So yeah, I just come to this place, and it's a place very close to that other place. But yeah, I mean there is no crowd here as you can see, and I've got some poha. Don't mind the noise; it's just right next to the road, so there's a lot of noise. But yeah, I'll just have the nice poha, and then we'll be on our way back. Maybe I'll try to take some more shots. I'll try some 360-degree shots also if possible. Let's see how that goes. Just look at this amazing valley. I mean, I could have gone there. That is the actual place where everyone is going. But then it's very crowded, and since the pandemic is going on, I don't want to go to a crowded place. And I suggest you do the same thing. There is a lot of there's a lot of people coming actually. It's a Sunday, so obviously there's a lot of people. So yeah, I mean, just be careful as much as possible. So I just came slightly to the side, and the view is exactly the same. So it looks so beautiful. Like, can you see the drops? It's like sheer, like about 1,000 feet or more. Oh my god. Almost done. I'm almost back home. It was an amazing ride. Thankfully, it didn't rain at any point of time. I mean, it drizzled at some points, but that was not rain. I mean, that was manageable. Yeah, as you can see, the crowd has like increased a lot now that it is almost 1:45 in the afternoon. It was a great ride. I mean, I really loved going out after a long time. Malshesh Ghat, as always, is one of the best places to go. One of the main reasons I go to Malshesh Ghat is also because the roads are amazing towards Malshesh Ghat. There are other places also which you can go, but then the roads are not so great. Cool. Now I'll just head back home. I'll see you in the parking. Yeah, so all done. I'm all sweaty and all, but yeah, this was a amazing ride. I really loved it. It was refreshing. It was spectacular views. It was cold temperatures. I mean, I still feel okay after such a big long ride. Usually, if I do it in the summer, then it takes quite a bit of toll because I'm sweating so much. So yeah, it was Amazing. I really loved it. It was a nice day out. I hope you also liked it. If you did, please hit the like button. I'll really appreciate it. And yeah, and until next time, I'll see you. Peace.